mà giải cái này dân update season 7มาอย่างดังลังดอลนายโดยจะลือคณียังหลูเลยท่าโดยประบาล้างใหม่ทิครั้งเถิดไงนี่ออกคณีสำนักไอ้เดาอมอจอมวิโรวันยมหนึ่งถ้วยแนวคณีกัดหาการล้างใหม่ทิคือจะเรื่องเงยสโลวิ่งในครั้ง season 8หนึ่งโดยแนวคณีคอนดับบอสจอลใน favorite commander บนแนวคณีมาอย่างเซนเตอร์ให้เงี้ยมาจำอารมณ์ไม่ตัวแอนเจล่าบอยยังวิ่งกบฏทักไม่ตัวแอนเจล่าในครั้ง season 8นั้นคือไวล็อกครั้งไม่เต้นกบฏทัก commander แอนเจล่าเทวันเบอร์เดอะเมกมันแต่เป็นนกพายจมูกน้องพอยซ์เบียร์บอกกดเท็ดคือการตะการมงยมเห็นใหญ่ทางคอนเมอร์วิดีโอหนึ่งจอมแนวคะแนนหนึ่งคลายตัวจิปโปรแองเจล่าให้ทำแรงไม่ถึงAC พอยโยมงต่อสมัยนี้ดอทสกอลแองเจล่าต่อแต่ซอมาดังอันปีสกิลแองเจล่ามวยยมต่างออกนี้สกิลที่มวยบอกคอมเมนเดอร์แองเจล่าก็ยืมมีสมรรถเพลโครงการจะเรือโยเฮโร่มวยโครงจะนำเฮโร่ต่างออกบ่อยเยอะตัวบ้านใน30แผ่นเพลรอยดำไม่ประทามแต่เลยการไปเชนสกิลมาดองบอกกอดมันแต่ปนอเรียงรอไปเดี๋ยวกอดไปเชนสกิลให้มาดองกอดนั่งตัวบ้านในมือไพ่เพลรอยมานาตลอดมาวิ่งสมัยคอมเมนเดอร์แองเจล่าได้เมียนไก่ปีวิ่งเยอะนั่นแต่ตัวบ้านในการ protection របស់ Angela មួយទៀតក៏ប៉ុន្តែការ protection មួយហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចជ្រើសរើសយក hero ណាមួយដើម្បីឲ្យវា protect បានឯពលគឺវានឹង protect hero ដែលខ្លាំងបំផុតនៅក្នុងក្តាររបស់យើងយកមកហើយរឿងសំខាន់មួយទៀតដែលពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយ Commander Angela នោះគឺជាការរបស់ Commander Angela អ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវចាំថា Commander Angela បើសិនជាយកមកលេងហើយចង់លេង Poison Bill អត់យក card Angela វាអត់ខុសពីនំបញ្ចុកដែលអត់ដាក់ទឹកស្លទេហើយសួរថា card Angela វាអស្ចារ្យថងណាទៅមិនចាំបាច់ត្រូវទៅយកហ្នឹងក៏ព្រោះថាការរបស់ Commander Angela វានឹងធ្វើការចេះ skill heal ឈាមឲ្យគ្នាយើងរៀងរាល់3វិនាទីម្ដងប៉ុន្តែប៉ុណ្ណោះ skill ដែល heal ឈាមហ្នឹងបើសិនជាប៉ះត្រូវ enemy វិញវានឹងធ្វើការ deal ដើម្បីទៅលើ enemy ដែលគិតតាម state នីមួយៗចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនគ្នាយក Commander Angela មកលេងតែអត់យក card Angela ទេវាអត់ខុសពីថាអ្នកនរគ្នាលេង line up poison តែអត់មានពឹសទេហើយសួរថាពស់អត់ពឹសគឺជាអីគឺជាពស់ផលិតឃើញគេវាយអាំងលក់ដល់កន្លែងនេះចង់ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាចាប់អារម្មណ៍មើលកន្លែង stake ហើយនឹង goal របស់ខ្ញុំជាទូទៅគឺខ្ញុំមកធ្វើការ refresh អីទាំងអស់ goal គឺ hero ដែលមានមកគឺសិតតែជា hero ដែលចេញ auto ទេចេញមកក៏ទិញអត់ចេញមកក៏ຕົកចោលក៏ព្រោះថា Commander Angela វាខ្លាំង early ស្រាប់ហើយយើងអាចរងចាំវារហូតទៅដល់ការវាយសัตว์រើសកាតទី2ចាំយើង refresh ទាំងអស់ទៅយើងមានលុយច្រើនបើសិនជា hey យើងអាចទទួលបាននៅ hero 3 goal ផ្កាយ3ភ្លាមយកមកតែពេលទាំងអស់របស់ខ្ញុំមិនមែនសំដៅលើកាក់ទាំងអស់ទេគឺទាំងអស់រហូតដល់តែយើងនៅសល់20កាក់គឺហៅថាយើងត្រូវការ sale 20កាក់ដើម្បីទទួលបាន4 interest លុះត្រាតែវាចាំបាច់ត្រូវចាយចាំយើងចាយបើសិនជាអត់ចាំបាច់ទេមិនបាច់ចាយក៏បានដែរបើយើងកំពុងតែឈ្នះហើយនឹងចាំបាច់អីបញ្ញាប់ក្នុងការដែល refresh យក hero មកយើងហើយការដែលយើងទុកឲ្យបាន20 goal ច្រើនអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងចំណេញជាងមកដល់កន្លែងនេះអ្នកនរគ្នាអាច scope មើលបានមិនអ្នកនរគ្នាអត់មាន poison bill ទេខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យ poison bill ចំនួន2ទៅអ្នកនរគ្នា poison ទី1គឺសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលចង់មាន eco mancer នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងសម្រាប់ line up ទី2វិញគឺខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់បន្តិចពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយ Melissa នៅ level 7គឺពិបាកហូបមែនទែនបើអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចហូបបានទេអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចដូរទៅជា Curry ឬក៏ Irratel បានសម្រាប់ item វិញខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាផ្ដោតទៅលើ item defense ដែលយើងយកទៅពាក់ទៅលើ tank ដែលមានផ្កាយ3ចំនួន2ពលគឺយើងត្រូវការ item defense រហូតដល់តែ6គ្រាប់ហើយ item ទាំង5នេះគឺជា item ដែល recommend បំផុតបើសិនជាអាចចង់បានវាទាំង5តែបើសិនជាអត់អាចយើងអាចយកអា2ដែលខ្ញុំដកចេញនឹងក៏បានដែរវាមិនអន់ទេគ្រាន់តែថាអា5នេះវានៅ S tier ហើយអា2ដែលខ្ញុំដកចេញវានៅ A tier ហើយរឿងពីរយ៉ាងដែលខ្ញុំចង់ប្រាប់អ្នកនរគ្នាគឺជារឿងចុងក្រោយទី1ពាក់ព័ន្ធជាមួយនឹង Commander Angela យើងលេងកុំឲ្យលើសពី level 7ក៏ដោយសារតែយើង focus ទៅលើ hero 3 gold ផ្កាយ3អញ្ចឹងបើយើងឡើងលើស level 7យើងពិបាកហៅ hero 3 gold ផ្កាយ3មែនទែនហើយមួយចុងក្រោយនោះបើសិនជាអ្នកនរគ្នានៅសល់មួយស្មើជាមួយនឹងអ្នកដែលមាន hero 4 gold ផ្កាយ3ឬក៏5 gold ផ្កាយ3កុំចាំយូរអីលេបចេញមកក៏ព្រោះថាដូចយើងដឹងហើយថាយើង build តាំងពីដើម item របស់យើងគឺ defense សុទ្ធដើម្បីគឺពឹងផ្អែកទៅលើ skill របស់ Angela 100%អញ្ចឹងហើយបើសិនជា4 gold ផ្កាយ3 5 gold ផ្កាយ3គ្មានមកខ្ទាត់នឹងគេទេ
Ready for the pain? Energy, love and hope are the two greatest inventions.